ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé Lateef Adedimeji rí ara ẹ̀ kó ní ìjánu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olóbìnrin dé eléyìí lẹ́tíkẹ́ o pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ṣe pé obìnrin ló pọ̀jù nínú àwọn fans ẹ̀ tó ṣe ṣe pé most of them gan máa ń crush ẹ̀ left and right kó tó di pé ó ṣègbéyàwó àti ìgbà tí ó tún ṣègbéyàwó gan tán eléyìí gbẹ̀nu tán Lateef Adedimeji tó jẹ́ gbajúmọ̀ òṣèré Nollywood ló sọ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí òun ṣe rí ara òun kó ní ìjánu láàrin ogunlọ́gọ̀ àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n jẹ́ fans ẹ̀ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń crush lé lórí pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ eré tíátà tí ó yàn láàyò. ẹ̀yin èèyàn fọ́rọ̀ ìkún ìkọ́kí sínú ẹ̀ ṣé gbogbo alákùmọ̀ wípé lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà àwọn ọkùnrin tí wọ́n ń ṣe irú iṣẹ́ gbajúmọ̀ bíi iṣẹ́ eré tíátà yìí obìnrin a máa rọ̀gbà yí wọn ká especially àwọn tó bá wà very successful tí ayé sì gbà tiwọn bíi ti Lateef Adedimeji yìí àwọn obìnrin máa ń rọ̀gbà yí wọn ká gidi gan tààrà tó sì ṣe wípé gbogbo wa náà la mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run fún obìnrin ní agbára láti gbé ọkùnrin ga bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ó sì ṣe máa ń rọrùn fún wọn láti rẹ irú ọkùnrin náà wá sílẹ̀ àmọ́ báwo ló ṣe máa ń rọrùn fún àwọn gbajúmọ̀ ìgàn láti maintain self discipline yẹn láàrin ogunlọ́gọ̀ àwọn obìnrin. wá ní àwọn àlàyé tí Lateef Adedimeji ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àti kí ni àwọn ìrírí ẹ̀ nídìí iṣẹ́ eré tíátà láti ìgbà tí ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ eré ṣíṣe. ẹ̀yin èèyàn nǹkan kì í sínú fọ́nrán yìí o. Sórí ìkànnì Digi Television ẹ jẹ́ máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí ẹ like ẹ comment kẹ́sì máa bá mi share ètò yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri.
Fame comes with a whole lot, and none of this is easy. You know, none of this is easy. But I remember what my father once told me. Ọjọ́ tó máa mọ̀ pé orí ẹ ti dé lọ́jọ́ tí obìnrin tó bá ti pọ̀ lórí ẹ kán lé ẹ lọ́tùn kán lé ẹ lósì dúpẹ́ fọlọ́run pé nǹkan tó dáa ti súnmọ́ ẹ. Ó ní ọjọ́ tó bá dẹ̀ tún ti máa mọ̀ pé orí ibú ẹ ti súnmọ́ òun ni ọjọ́ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wá pọ̀ bí nǹkan míì lórí ẹ ìwọ náà wà ní làákàyè mọ́ ò wá mọ̀ èyí tó kàn ò wá follow that line of action. That's the end. So females, they come with the success and they come with the ruin at the same time. So it is important for you to know that it's never going to be easy, but caution yourself, be strong enough to be able to resist some certain things and then hold on to God. It's not easy. For me, if it is not that I'm religious a bit, and then èèyàn lólùbáwí èèyàn àti sọnù but there is always the callback from time to time. Wo ó ní pẹ́ kú ó ní pẹ́ lọ, and then you just need to just remember that tó bá gba ọ̀nà tó ń gba you die, tó bá gba bí you die. Just keep calling yourself back. Ìjẹ́ èèyàn máa fẹ́ máa gbé ẹ, the fame will want to push you to do, you know, the minute fame comes, a lot of negative things looks like positivity to you because you have a face to match whatever is being bring forth to you. More like you want to sell something that is red to people and then you want to call it white to people, but you that owns the product cannot sell it, but you look for a famous person that people believes in. They know that thing is red, but if it tells them white, because of the love they have for him, they'll follow. So and then you have been paid for it. You want to go on here, but want to follow it. So how many people are we celebrities putting on the track, on the right path, and how many people are we ourselves leading astray? So it is just calling yourself back from time to time that, hey, kò ní easy, but you have to be strong, to go through it and stay on the right path.
What's the Olubawi for you?
One thing my father does for all of us that was great for us is he made us realize that even if you think I have money, abimo kole kolobo kan, all of you now think you have one inheritance somewhere. Let me make it clear to you today. There is no single inheritance for any of you in my empire. The only inheritance that I have that I will give to you is motiroyin lo le kewu, modetiroyin lo si school. Hold on to those two very well. So, from time to time, it would always make us realize that religiously, because kó wà religious gan tó bá pàdé àwọn àgbákò mi, wọ́n á jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé orí religious tó lò wà yẹn aláwọn nǹkan mi wà tó bá já sí báyìí wà padà later. So if care is not taken, wàá sọnù dáadáa. So apart from the fact that they grounded us well religiously, he is never too away from calling us from time to time to say, but even as at now, he will still call us from time to time, call me from time to time, and my mom and be like, bo wa ni, ṣó ń lọ dáadáa, jẹ́jẹ́ o, rántí ọmọ ẹni tó ń ṣe o, rántí ọmọ ẹni tó ń ṣe o, orúkọ rere, ó sàn ju wúrà àti, all of those words. My mother doesn't miss this sermon every Friday, every Jimo. She will call to tell me this sermon.
Kí ni èròǹgbà tiyín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ẹ máa bá mi fi sí comment ká jọ máa tàkùrọ̀sọ. Ẹ má wàá gbàgbé láti máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ like, ẹ comment, kẹ́sì máa bá mi share ètò yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.